We'll quickly show you executive room and valley view room at Misty Mountain Resort. Welcome to our new video. So today हम आपको अपने रूम के दर्शन कराते हैं जो हमने मुन्नार में बुक किया है। ये रूम टूर रहेगा वैली व्यू रूम का, मुन्नार मिस्टी माउंटेन रिजॉर्ट। ओके, एज सुन एज यू एंटर, ये हमने डोर क्लोज कर दिया। राइट साइड पे है, कवर्ड है विथ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेफ, स्पेस, हैंगर्स, some extra space, and then
Coffee station.
just beside that there is a coffee station. So tea kettle, water bottles, glass, cups,
Coffee ingredients.
coffee, tea ingredients, then space for
Luggage.
putting your luggage, a mirror, and then on the left side is the washroom. So washroom is tidy, neat and clean. We just checked in, so it looks very clean for now. Sanitary bag, some body
इसमें
lotion,
light है.
and then a mirror. I guess there should be hair dryer as well. I could not find it. Maybe it's not there. Shower area. It looks really nice. Very
Golden,
neat and
golden.
clean. Very neat and clean.
Exhaust fan.
Exhaust fan, a bucket. Okay. Then we come out of the washroom, toilet. Then we walk, and then this is the full king size bed. It's a big one with two side tables and swan made out of towel. A beautiful painting. Right in front of the bed there is a table with two chairs. So room service is available in this hotel, which is good. So you can have your dinner here. There is a window here, but it cannot be opened. खोल नहीं सकते हम उसको। एक टीवी है, there is a TV. टीवी हमने स्विच ऑन नहीं किया एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो हम उसको ऑन करेंगे भी। देन normal telephone to contact customer care or reception. There is a lounge, like a sofa cum bed. I don't know if I can sleep on it. I may fall down. There is no AC here, so note that in Munnar most of the hotels do not have air condition, and you can see the room size is quite big. I am standing at the corner. It's quite big, spacious, and then there is a table. There is no fridge here, and you can use this table for anything. Then this is the window. It's not a balcony, it's just gives a feel of balcony when you look the building from outside, but you cannot actually hop in here. You can open the window and you can see this view. This is valley view room of Misty Mountain Resort. So this is first time we are coming here. इसके पहले 2 बार हमने इसमें बुकिंग करके कैंसिल कर दिया था बिकॉज हमारा मुन्नार का प्लान कैंसिल हो गया था ड्यू टू हेवी रेन. So you can see from this window far end there is a lake, and then you can see different types of hotels that you usually see on the site. Now you can see this Parakkad. This hotel I saw in the travel portal, but we did not book that one. We opted for this one just because it was on a height to get a good view. Hope you like the video of the room tour. We will also post a video of the full hotel and the facilities that they provide. Misty Mountain. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead. So this one is executive room. I thought I will just show you. It looks exactly same as the deluxe valley view room. So you have your cupboard space to put your luggage, water bottle. Washroom is also of the same size with the same feature. The room is bit smaller though. If you see, it's bit smaller. Table is still there, and the window is facing the other side. Other side means it's more like a garden view. There is another wall and then some gardening work done. The room is small. It's not looking quite open, but this one is the smaller configuration executive room. And this is the corridor. As you can see, it's a corridor. All these rooms on the left side are executive rooms. On the right side are the valley view room with a balcony. So this is the valley view room, and as you can see, it looks spacious. Thank you for watching.